Clap your hands. Stop your feet. Jump around. Yeah. Clap your hands. Stop your feet. Jump around. Get down.
Boot kicking,
Funky chicken,
knee slapping, toe tapping,
head nodding,
banjo strumming,
rooster crowing, do-si-do,
pig feeding, garden weeding,
tractor steering,
field clearing.
turning, churning, clapping, snapping, spinning, grinning.
Hey, let's go!
Welcome back on the farm. I don't think I've had the pleasure of meeting some of you. I'm Nathan, and with the help of some of my friends here at Kidville, I do chores around the farm. But as you can see, we had quite a party in the last episode for the farm festival. There was a pedal cart race, and I got to eat a donut hanging from a string. It was all sorts of fun. But we made a mess. A big mess. Like a ginormous mess. And it looks like I get to be the one to help clean it all up. But I actually don't mind. You see, in the last few episodes, I've begun to notice a pattern from Up and Adam. While we're on the farm and learning about how to live life on a farm, Up and Adam have also been teaching us about the fruit of the Spirit. And each week, they sing a song about it. Now, I don't know about you, but that song has been stuck in my head. And I keep hearing love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control over and over and over again. I noticed that the different need to knows we've had line up with the order of the fruit of the Spirit in that song. So I think today, Up and Adam are going to talk about kindness. And if they're talking about kindness, then I should do something kind for our Kidville farm. I'm going to find a way to clean up all this mess quick, fast, and in a hurry. And I've got just the thing. You see, we have an old snow blower here on the farm that we use if the snow ever starts to pile up. But I bet if I use the snow blower on all this garbage, it will pick it up right away. What? For a second there, I thought you were saying, no, no, no. But I bet what you were really saying is, go, go, go. All right, I'm going to give it a whirl. All right, let's start it up and...
Rise and shine, everybody.
Hey there.
Time to get Up and Adam here on the farm.
I'm Up.
And I'm Adam. Hey, Up. I got a surprise for you.
For me? It's not even my birthday.
Well, yeah, but you're my best friend, so I wanted to do something nice for you.
Sweet. It's a new Bible. We're picturing it just like the comic books.
I've got the same one. Super awesome.
There's something else in here.
Yep. I got you something to help remind you of the fruit of the Spirit. You know, all the good things that God grows in your heart to make you more like Him.
I love fruit.
Hey, speaking of fruit, it's that time again.
Roll that fantastic fruit footage.
The fruit of the Spirit's not a coconut. Fruit of the Spirit's not a coconut. The
If you wanna be a coconut, you might as well hear it. You can't be a fruit of the Spirit, cause the fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Oh, the fruit of the Spirit's not a banana. The fruit of the Spirit's not a banana. You wanna be a banana? You might as well hear it. You can't be a fruit of the Spirit, cause the fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Oh, the fruit of the Spirit's not a lemon. The fruit of the Spirit's not a lemon. You wanna be a lemon? You might as well hear it. You can't be a fruit of the Spirit, cause the fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Oh, the fruit of the Spirit's not a watermelon. The fruit of the Spirit's not a watermelon. You wanna be a watermelon? You might as well hear it. You can't be a fruit of the Spirit, cause the fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, and gentleness, and self-control.
So good.
Wow, there sure is a lot of fruit of the Spirit. The fruit we're talking about today is kindness. And kindness is showing God's love to others. We can learn an important lesson about kindness from the story of David in the Bible.
Sweet, I'll use my new Bible.
See, when David became king of Israel, he wanted to do something kind for anyone who was left in Saul's family.
Now you remember Saul. He was the king before David, and he did not like David at all.
But David knew that God had been kind to him, so he wanted to be kind to someone else.
So David sent a servant to find out if there were any members of Saul's family still alive.
And David's servant came back and said that he had found Saul's grandson, Mephibosheth.
Now the servant also told David that Mephibosheth's legs were hurt and he could not walk. So David told the servant to bring Mephibosheth to him.
When Mephibosheth got to the palace, David told him that he wanted to do something kind for him. So David, the king, gave Mephibosheth all the land that belonged to his grandfather Saul.
David even promised to take care of Mephibosheth for the rest of his life.
You see, David knew that God had shown him kindness.
So he should show kindness to others.
Whether that's giving somebody a gift or helping your mom around the house or even talking to a friend after they've had a bad day.
Remember, a fruit of the Spirit is kindness.
And kindness is showing God's love to others.
Well, at least my heart was in the right place. That Bible story that Up and Adam shared made a lot of sense. Kindness is another fruit of the Spirit. It may not always be easy to show kindness to others. If someone is mean to us, we kind of want to be mean back. Or maybe you're trying to show kindness by helping out around the house. You end up making a bigger mess. But no matter what, we can remember that God showed us kindness by sending Jesus. We can have a friendship with Him. And we can show kindness to others too. I'll tell you what, this week when you're at school or at home or out playing with your friends, I want you to look for an opportunity to show kindness. Now you won't know what it is until you see it, but you can bet that the Holy Spirit will be with you and point you in the right direction. And after you show that kindness, you will know that you showed God's love. Well, I'm gonna go and clean up this bigger mess that I made here on the farm, but I hope you join me again for the next episode. I'm sure to get things right here on the farm, and I want to hear all about how you showed kindness to others. Until next time, remember, stay safe, have fun, and be known for love. See you around.
Join us on the farm, head on over to the barn. Our family sit together for a
slapping, toe tapping,
head nodding,
banjo strumming,
rooster crowing, do-si-do,
pig feeding, garden weeding,
tractor steering,
field clearing.
turning, churning, clapping, snapping, spinning, grinning.
Hey, let's go!
Join us on the farm, head on over to the barn. Our families here together for a country kind of day. There's really nothing to it, and you know that you can do it. You're right on time, won't cost a dime. Hey, let's go! Clap your hands, stop your feet, jump around, yeehaw! Clap your hands, stop your feet, jump around, get down.
Boot kicking,
Funky chicken,
knee slapping, toe tapping,
head nodding,
banjo strumming,
rooster crowing,